And that's pretty much it. So I've got the jerry can where I normally have it. Now I don't have to pull it in and out, which weighs a fair bit, especially once you have to lean over this thing to pull it in and out all the time. And I've just got the tap running out here whenever I need water. And the cool thing is, if I want to fill it up, all I have to do is snap a tap fitting onto that. And just a reminder, never know when a fitting or something's going to break, or maybe that gets hit when you're off-road or whatever. So always keep your bung that originally came in the jerry can, just tape it to the lid, and that way you've got it if you need it. Another cool thing, you get these inline water filters off eBay. They're really cheap. I think I paid 20 bucks for two. So this has got a normal tap fitting that screws into the end of it like so, and if you're filling a water tank or container that you know, the water might be a little dodge, you know, if you don't like the taste of or odour of certain water and you want it super clean, then that will be able to snap in your hose fitting, and the other end of the hose goes in the other end, and that'll give you crystal clean water, because these things are pretty sure 160 micron. I can't see. Anyway, they filter out everything more or less. Gets rid of chlorine, any bad taste, any bad smell in water. You need to get yourself one of these, which is a vandal-proof tap key. You'll see it's got 4 different chuck types, and what that does is, so public taps, they've got the handles removed so that you essentially can't use them. If you get really stuck, a tool like this will actually open the tap for you so that you can fill your tanks. You know, we all pay our taxes, so really you're paying for the water anyway. So yep, that'll open up a public fresh water tap, no worries. Alright, thanks for watching.